Okay, I'm about to take the steaks out. Oh, wait. There they go. You hear them sizzling, crackling, sizzling. That's it we got here. So we'll put them on and take them out the pan there. But you see how good that comes out? When you do it this way, fry it in butter and garlic, season it to your liking. Look what you come out with.
We did that. And we'll always be family. But I just can't.
Oh wow, look at that.
I'm gonna
Beautiful, right?
I'm sorry.
Marie, come on, please.
Okay. Look at that. That is beautiful. Good for you. Look at that there. Right? Yeah. That way you can see it good. Pretty good, right? So I'm going to make the salad and the baked potato, and then I'll be back.